Hey guys, welcome back. Some near tragic news in today's video. We had crazy weather overnight and I did a walk around and look what I just spotted. Well, you can't see from here, but it's doesn't look good, does it? Does that look good? It looks pretty scary. Let's have a closer look. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It's my green sapote. The exact same thing that happened to the jamun last week. Oh no. Oh no. These green steaks from Bunnings. Oh. Yep, the same thing happened. The same darn thing. Oh my gosh. My 4-year-old green sapote. Let's clean this mess up. Thankfully the tree is fine. I had to battle to pull out the part that was broken. This part here. That's from the top where it snapped. And that's the part that was in the ground. That's a third time. Third? Yeah, third time. Maybe fourth that I've had this problem with these stakes. You can see the root there as well from the green sapote. See that root? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this bad boy, this wooden stake here, in the place of the steel stake. And I hope there's no roots in the way. That's what I did with the jamun last week. I used the existing hole, so I wouldn't have to touch any of the roots. Yeah, right there. In you get. Ooh, in you get. Okay, I'm gonna slam that in with a sledgehammer. They say you're not meant to do this. You're meant to put the stake out here, but you know, one out here and one over there, one on each side like they do at the nurseries. That's the professional way of doing it, but I've always done it like this, and I've never had any issues with damaging the root in 20 years. Never had one issue. The issue is hitting on this root here. See that? I'm not going to hit on that. Now what's underneath here, I don't know, but I do know that this here was fine for 4 years. And that's the difference in diameter. All right, let's slam it in. Okay, I pushed it in about 5-6 inches, about that much, and it's very, very, very strong. So now we have the tree like this. So let's finish up the job. Okay, we're back. The green sapote is back, guys. We didn't lose it. Whew. Talk about scary. Oh, man. Only with the pliers could I pull this guy out. It was firmly attached into the ground. Terrible, terrible products. All right, guys, that's the short video today. Short for me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you from the next one. Wow. Hope that's the last time that happens. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye now.